Hey, what's up, everybody? So welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm pretty excited to share my personal setting on my GoPro. For sure, GoPro is one of the best options which as bloggers or travelers to bring along so that you can capture all the atmosphere or all angles that you don't want to miss during your trip. And in today's video, what I would like to share is what I normally set on my GoPro. Okay, so without further delay, let's get into my setting. Okay guys, so this is GoPro. So let me tell you, there are two different settings, color settings for the GoPro. One is the automatic color saturated by the GoPro, the system itself, and the other one is the raw color saturated, which allows you to do a very best post-production from your video. Okay, so now let's get started. First of all, make sure that you are on the video section. Okay, so video, and resolution, it's depend on you guys which one, which size you want to have for your video. So I personally go with 2.7K. It depends on the storage I have, and the frame rate, again, it depends on you guys. You can have it up to 240 or 120, so 60 is fine for me because it somehow helped my GoPro to be stabilized. Okay, or you can go with 30 frames per second, which somehow you can have more light into your GoPro. But I just leave it 60 because normally I use GoPro for outdoor activities or trips, not just inside the house. Okay, so this one, I just leave it with the linear or white. It depends on what kind of image or photos or video or the final product look like. Okay, so super wide, super view, it's up to you guys. Okay, next, this is the most and what I make this video for. Please slide to the left. You can see the first option is the PT Pro Tune. So just turn it on. As you can see, the first option, I just leave it auto. The second option is about the lighting. So you can increase it or decrease it, but be careful with the noise. So I just leave it like 0. Go back. ISO minimum, yeah, just go with 100. And the maximums of the ISO, please go to the top one, so 6400. And the white balance, you can go with auto or you can go with native. Okay, so I think native is a great option for post-production because later I'm going to show you guys that what makes it different to have before and after the effect. And sharp, I think I might go with medium, but sometimes if the video itself seems to be a bit smooth, I can go with a bit high. Okay, so I can select high, but now, just for now, I leave it medium, and most of the time I just record it with medium. The color, okay, this is also important. This is one of the most important parts. So there are two options. You can see flat and the GoPro. So again, if you use GoPro, the GoPro somehow try to give you the color based on its I think smart system built inside this GoPro. But personally, I don't want GoPro to choose what color should be saturated, what color should be less saturated. So I am the one who work on the post-production, not the GoPro. So just go with flat. And the audio, yeah, just leave it there, just off. Okay, video stabilization, for sure you need to turn it on. to help your video more stabilized. Okay, auto light, yeah, you need to turn this one on as well. And for the manual audio control, please turn it off, don't turn it on, otherwise you will have different or separate files. One file is video and the other one is audio, which is quite complicated when it comes to the post-production. Okay, so now let's see before and after the post-production video. Okay, so let's enjoy. Hi guys, so this is the video from my GoPro, and the setting, as I mentioned earlier, this is the raw video, meaning that it is less saturated and less in post-production that you apply any effect that you want. Okay, so I can start from here, and then I apply MLOT here. So drag and drop, and I can load my MLOT library, and I can try to choose different colors, different pose that I want it to be. As you can see, you can change it to whatever you want. So let's go with my preference. So this is my preference. I always go to this one, which looks awesome. It looks more natural, and as I mentioned earlier, the raw file allows you to be able to control on the post-production. Okay, so now it looks much better. Okay, this is before and this is after. Okay, so same here, I mute it, okay, and apply it back, mute and apply. And one more thing is you can even adjust the intensity of these effects, like okay, you drag it down or up in the middle, but I think this one is better. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the setting that I've just shared in the video. If you would like to watch my full video, please don't forget to click in this section, or please go to the link in the description. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Thank you.